Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a vinegar home remedy for garden pests. A lot of people have tried to use vinegar to take care of some of the bugs that may grow in plants, and I don't recommend that you do this. It oftentimes can damage the plant because basically vinegar is acetic acid, which can be very damaging to plants. But one of the garden pests that it can be used for at 100%, so straight vinegar, is actually for weeds that you're trying to get rid of. Too often people are using herbicides on their weeds and putting a great deal of poison into the groundwater and killing off some of the other plants in the area, as well as making for a toxic environment for both us, our drinking water, and a variety of other problems. So if you do have a particular plant that you're trying to get rid of in your yard and you're not able to use other natural means, by taking a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and you don't even have to use the good stuff, you can go ahead and either pour that directly on the plant or use a spray bottle and just spray that particular plant. And oftentimes you have to do it a couple of days in a row, as you do with a variety of other ones. By doing that, you'll change the environment as well as cause some problems to the plants themselves by putting a weak acid on it, and that plant will die off within just a few weeks without any problems caused in the environment. So you don't even have to use the fancy organic vinegars. You can get just the cheapest apple cider vinegar that you can find in your local grocery store. You want to look for the highest acid content, so it will actually show a percentage on the bottle. So try to find whichever one works best for you with the highest percentage. They do vary greatly, and we can go ahead and at a totally undiluted solution, pour that or spray that onto our invasive weeds to get rid of them. So this is Bob Lindy talking to you about how to use vinegar in order to combat the garden pests called weeds.